In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a character count formula in Notion. This is a great way to keep track of text length for SEO titles, social media posts, or any content with character limits. Let's get started. Open your Notion database and make sure you have a text property that contains the content you want to count, such as a title or description. Click the plus button to add a new property. Then choose Formula as the property type. Give the new property a name like character count or chars. Open the formula editor and enter the following formula, replacing title with the name of your text property if it's different. Length, prop, title. Click Done to save the formula. Your new column will instantly display the number of characters for each entry. Whenever you edit the text, the character count updates automatically. If you rename your text property later, remember to update the property name inside the formula so it continues to work correctly. That's how to add a character count formula in Notion. Thanks for watching.